Welcome to this explainer. Okay, if you're a focused learner looking to completely optimize and honestly transform a rental business, you are in exactly the right place. Today, I am incredibly excited to break down a comprehensive end-to-end digital solution. We're going to see how it takes the chaotic, everyday reality of rental management and turns it into this perfectly streamlined, automated machine. Specifically, we'll be looking closely at the Synconics rental management software, exploring exactly how it works from the very moment a customer books an item all the way to the final financial settlement. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap from today. We'll start with Section 1, the chaos of rentals, followed by Section 2, the complete digital solution. Then, Section 3, automating the rental lifecycle. Section 4, built for multiple industries. And finally, Section 5, the business transformation. Section 1, the chaos of rentals, the daily struggles of the industry. So, where is your equipment right now? It sounds like a simple question, right? But if you're managing a growing rental operation without the right systems in place, answering that accurately is a massive operational blind spot. Seriously, is your high-end generator out on lease? Is it sitting in the back of the warehouse? Or is it lost in the repair shop? If you can't answer that instantly, it creates this domino effect of total inefficiency. I mean, nobody wants to spend their afternoons searching a 10,000 square foot warehouse for a missing piece of machinery. And man, that blind spot triggers 5 major compounding problems. First off, inventory and availability challenges, which inherently breed massive financial and operational headaches. And when you can't effectively track your equipment, your customer experience naturally tanks, just because you can't deliver on your promises. But worst of all, product damage and loss chaos. When items are returned broken or parts are missing, and your team is trying to track those damages manually, well, that leads straight to lost revenue, dispute headaches, and total financial chaos. Moving on to Section 2, the complete digital solution, the paradigm shift. The answer to all this madness lies in a centralized framework, the Synconics rental management software. It's a system designed to help businesses digitize and completely automate the rental lifecycle. And the core takeaway phrase I really want you to remember here is from product booking to final settlement. We aren't just talking about a digital calendar. No, this is an intelligent system governing the entire lifespan of a single rental transaction. The contrast between manual methods and modern standards is pretty stark. Think about the old manual chaos where your staff is literally guessing stock availability or running out to the warehouse to physically check shelves. Compare that to true digital transformation, where the system sends automatic stock availability notifications right via email. You instantly eliminate human error and, honestly, recapture hours of wasted time. Section 3, automating the rental lifecycle, a step-by-step breakdown. Here's the chronological flow of a single rental transaction governed by the Synconics system. Step 1 is the customer booking. Step 2 is back-end management and delivery, and Step 3 is the return, inspection, and settlement. This takes all those wild, chaotic moving parts and simplifies them into 3 highly actionable, manageable phases. Just imagine this process for a second. Your customer logs into a modern portal. They seamlessly bifurcate their choices between delivery or pickup items. Book the exact time, down to the hour, day, week, or month, and digitally sign the contract. It's totally effortless for them. Meanwhile, the core backend management is doing all the heavy lifting for you. It's managing the rental order, checking stock availability, and, this is huge, automatically calculating buffer time for product preparation. So you always have adequate turnaround time to clean or service an item before it goes out again. Now, what's really interesting to me is how it handles the often messy end of the rental lifecycle. When a rental period concludes, the software guides the physical inspection, even if the customer drops the item off at a completely different branch or warehouse location. If there's an issue, the system automatically calculates the damage or loss. Financially, it does all the complex math for you. It auto-calculates exact refund deposits or extensions and instantly funnels damaged goods straight into a repair management workflow, so literally nothing falls through the cracks. And beyond the standard lifecycle, this system consolidates your entire business. Get this, you can actually sell and rent products from the exact same Odoo website interface. That is a total game changer for your revenue streams. It also handles the granular details like specific quantities, lots, and serial numbers, which is absolutely vital for high-value equipment. Plus, it automatically nudges customers with pickup and drop-off email reminders and scales seamlessly across multiple companies and branches. And you monitor the whole shebang through a real-time reporting dashboard. Section 4, built for multiple industries, unmatched flexibility. Now you might be wondering, does this apply to my specific business? Well, whether you're moving heavy construction machinery, setting up delicate AV event gear, organizing a massive furniture rental, or leasing out electronics, medical equipment, or industrial tools, the underlying digital logic remains the same. The software is flexible enough to empower vastly different industries to operate with the exact same level of precision. Finally, Section 5, the business transformation. Why actually make the switch? Adopting this software triggers some massive, tangible outcomes. Centralized operations guarantee drastically faster bookings and returns. That naturally reduces errors because, let's face it, manual data entry is out the window. With improved inventory visibility, your equipment utilization skyrockets. Your assets are actually making you money instead of gathering dust in a warehouse. All of this cascades down to highly accurate billing, scalable multi-location support, and ultimately a flawless customer experience. So the crucial point is this. We're not just talking about a minor software upgrade here. This is a complete digital transformation for rental operations. It's about taking a business that's bogged down by manual processes and guessing games and turning it into a highly profitable, scalable, modern enterprise. If you're ready to see exactly how this can simplify your specific operations and boost your profitability, the next logical step is to see it in action. You can book a personalized, completely free live demo today. Just head over to Synconics.com, or you can reach out via email at contact@synconics.com. You can even just call or WhatsApp them directly at +91 942 68 64274. I want to leave you with this final, thought-provoking question to chew on. What could you achieve if your rental operations were running on complete autopilot? Just imagine the time, the revenue, and the growth potential you could unlock by leaving all that chaos behind. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you on the next one.